So if I click full-time equivalent students, you see that it's not taking me to the same position that it was before. It's not taking me to the left corner, left up corner. This is what's gonna happen to most of you. So in Excel, the way the hyperlinks work is as soon as it finds a cell, it will put it there, and you see all this extra space, it will still show it. So in order to fix that, and I don't know if you're able to see that because I know Zoom is weird and sometimes it doesn't show. So let me know, feel free to interrupt me if it doesn't show, but you should be able to change that by going to File, Options, Advanced, go down where it says Transition Navigation Keys under Lotus Compatibility, click on that, and that should fix it. So when you click on a link, it should put you right on the beginning of the page. So again, if I full-time equivalent students, there's no space. It's right there. It's put a warning. If you click this option, you won't be able to do Control-Shift-Enter in Excel. So usually when you work with Excel, you can select a lot of things using Control-Shift-Enter. But for those of you who don't use Excel much, might not understand what I'm saying, but for those of you who use it, should understand that when you click in something and you want to select everything, I'm trying to select everything by using Control-Shift-Enter right now. It's not working. And it's not working because I selected that option. So normally when you click, when you do Control-Shift-Enter, it will select everything from row 18 up to row 21. But it's not working right now because I chose that option. So make sure that if you choose that option, work on this report, but you're going to work on Excel later, you have to uncheck that option if you want to use the Control-Shift-Enter. And again, if you don't work with Excel much often, there shouldn't be a problem with you. But if you do work with Excel a lot, it's gonna create trouble. So I wanted to make sure that we address this.
If we do go in and make that change, it'll land right where we need it to. If we don't, we can simply go to the bottom and adjust the arrow so it gets rid of the previous page. Is that right? If we don't go in and make this.
Right, you can just move things around. You can just move things around. This is just to make sure that the experience is a little better for you. However, again, it's not necessary. This is just an Excel file. This is nothing fancy. I just made it so it looks fancier than it actually is. This is just a scrolling around looking at different tables.
And so I keep missing, I think I'm missing one of the navigation sections. So when you go to advance, do you go to Lotus compatible or are you going somewhere first?
You go to options and then advanced.
Advanced.
And then at the bottom, you got to scroll down. It says
Lotus compatibility. Okay.
And says
transaction navigation keys. Okay.
Right. So it has to be clicked for it to work the nice way. If it's not clicked, it's not going to work the nice way. However, if it's not clicked, you should be able to do Control-Shift-Enter. So again, it's either you do the Control-Shift-Enter or you have it the nice way. You cannot have them both. Keep that in mind. And this will affect everything in Excel. It doesn't affect only this file. So that's why that's something that you have to do on your own Excel file. This is not something that I could have done for you. So that's why I'm explaining this. Make sure to turn it off or turn it on depending on your on whatever you work with. And something else, this only works for Microsoft Excel. It doesn't work for Mac.